The EVEREADY LED Headlamps Pro200 5-pack stands out as an excellent lighting solution for various activities, from camping and cycling to home repairs and power outages. Designed with practicality in mind, these headlamps are lightweight and comfortable, making them easy to wear for extended periods without causing strain. Each headlamp features adjustable light modes, allowing users to switch between different brightness levels to best suit their needs. With a maximum brightness of 200 lumens, these headlamps illuminate a substantial distance of up to 147.64 feet, ensuring ample visibility in dark environments. This functionality is bolstered by a durable construction, made from high-quality plastic that can withstand regular use and minor impacts. At a weight of just 15.52 ounces for the entire pack, these headlamps are incredibly portable, easily fitting into bags or backpacks without adding significant bulk. The navy blue color is appealing and professional, suiting both casual